Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. I forgot to tell you back, guys, in the last video when all this crazy things happened with my Chromebook. You can see the background, but I forgot to tell you that was part 1. This is part 2, and I just wanted to tell you guys. I forgot to tell you guys and girls. Yeah, her build server is Cousin Izzy Money. I'm gonna put a link in the bio. Yeah, it's all lowercase, but I'm gonna put the name in my description.
Or if it doesn't work, capital C. Lowercase c, lowercase o.
I'm gonna put it in my description so they will know.
But if it doesn't work, it's all lowercase. It's C-O-U.
Okay, they get it. Okay? They get it.
I get it already.
Okay, guys. So goodbye. I love you guys so much. Okay, stay kind, stay safe,
stay awesome.
Stay awesome. Bye. Bye, TV Squad.